A tragic accident occurred on the Tumkur-Bangalore National Highway today near Nelmangla when a container truck overturned, crushing a car and a two-wheeler. 6 people from Chandram Yagapagol's family lost their lives in the incident, which took place near Talakere on the outskirts of Bengaluru. The family was on their way for a vacation. Chandram Yagapagol, a resident of Vijayapura and the CEO of IAST Software Solutions, was among the victims. With over 18 years of experience in automotive and embedded software development, Chandram held a degree in electrical and electronics engineering from the National Institute of Technology in Surathkal. The victims are currently at Nelmangla Government Hospital. The crash caused significant traffic disruptions on National Highway 48, involving 2 cars, 2 trucks, and a school bus in a chain collision. Speeding trucks were believed to be the cause of the accident. Authorities rushed to the scene for rescue operations.
ಅವ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ